My name's Jennifer and welcome to Gldn Sparrows Vintage. I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself and a little bit about my channel. What I'm hoping to do with my channel is to take you on a journey from sourcing to restoring to staging and to selling so that you can see exactly what goes on in this process and how much fun it is. One of my favorite things about this thrifting and antiquing journey is how the objects carry with them their own history and how that history can be carried forward in your family and in your home. If this is something you'd be interested in, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much.